कुठ्ठाळेच्या लोकांक पिवपाच्या उदकाचो प्रश्न बेगीनाच सुटावो करपाचें आश्वासन भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याचो मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकारान कुठ्ठाळेच्या लोकांक कुठ्ठाळे पंचायत वाठारांत बांदिल्ल्या मुतारीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्या वेळार दिल्ले. कुठ्ठाळे पंचायत वाठारांत बांदिल्ल्या सुलभ शौचालयाचें उक्तावण भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार, खासदार नरेंद्र सावयकार, कुठ्ठाळेचे आमदार अलिना साल्ढाणाच्या हस्तुकीं जालें.
As far as South Goa is concerned, I got 30 mld extra water with me as on today. I don't know in future. Even the water which we were supplying to Zuari, which is almost say about 8 mld per month, per day, has been reduced to 1.5 mld. So there is net saving of 6.5 mld water itself. Apart from this, we have implemented and executed 100 mld plant at Sange, and because of that 30 mld extra water is there. I don't know what is the problem of Kartalim, what is the problem of Sandandre, but when this problem has been brought to my notice by Ma'am, Honorable MLA of this constituency, Elina ji, I have called my engineers. I told them, give 5 mld extra water to Kartalim, give 3 mld extra water to Sandandre. There won't be any problem in future. And my engineer assured me from this month and onward, they will get extra whatever requirement water for Kartalim constituency, as done in Marmugao Taluka. At one time, we were giving 55 mld of water to Marmugao Taluka. Today, we are supplying almost 75 mld of water to Marmugao Taluka.
But also I think construction activity and the influx of people is also taking a toll on our water resources. However, I do believe what the Honorable Minister for PWD has told us, that somehow from the south there is an excess of water. About 25 mld are extra, of which he has given very definite instructions that 5 mld will be solely for Kartalim constituency, and this will happen in another month's time. So I'm quite sure, and I'm waiting for that time when our problems will be solved. If by chance there are still ups and downs, I will definitely go back to the minister. So I'm very sure that the Honorable Minister for PWD will solve our water problems, not just of Kartalim constituency, but also of Santandre constituency.